tissue paper? You like it?
I'm videoing.
Huh?
I'm videoing.
Oh. Just don't put it on YouTube.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, she gives you the wrapping paper as she unwraps it.
Oh God. Thank you. We're gonna be here all day.
You don't care what order she does it in?
No.
Really not.
This is like the first one she's really unwrapped all by herself.
Yeah.
Wow.
Boy, look
Thank
what
you.
Maria got for Hanukkah.
Wow. Yay.
Why don't you get a garbage bag, Dad?
What'd you get? It's a piggy bank.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Look, you put the coins in there.
Should I just give her mine?
It's party time.
Shove it through your bag and open it.